Hi, so in this video we're going to make our website project that we've been working on a little bit more complicated using some JavaScript. So we're going to add some more functionality here. So you can see that I've already added a button here. We want to take our dog here, his name is Docker, that's my dog, and we want to make my dog able to say woof. So let's see, so we've got our button and it has an ID woof button and it's supposed to say woof. So in order to make this interactive, I've written some JavaScript code here, and let's see, let's get this indenting right. I've got some JavaScript code here in a script tag, and so we do document.querySelector, we get access to the button, we make a function for saying woof, and then we say button.click equals say woof. So let's check it out. Let's see if this works. And there we go. We get our alert that pops up and it says woof. So that's pretty cool. But sometimes people don't want to do kind of this, what we call an inline script tag. They want to move this to a different file. So what we can do is we can take this, I'll cut this code, and I will go to my file menu. I will say add text file, and we'll call this script.js. I will paste my code in here, and I will get my indenting right real quick. Doing it kind of the old-fashioned way. There's a couple shortcuts for this, actually. And so I'm doing all this. Okay, so we have button.onClick say woof. So our script.js is all set. And now back in dog.html, we can clean up this script tag and just say source equals, and then we get our little menu here and we can select script.js. So this is all refreshed, all loaded, and we can click say woof, and we're back and it says woof. So that's pretty cool. One thing I also want to show is when you're writing JavaScript code, maybe you don't always want to do alerts. Maybe sometimes you want to do console logs and that kind of stuff, or you want to see your error messages if you're writing code. So what you can do is you can go down to this settings button down here, and you can say the JavaScript console is normally hidden, and you can select shown here. So now we have a JavaScript console that we can resize and we can show whatever we want. And so we can actually edit our script.js here. So instead of doing an alert, we can do console.log woof. So let's check it out. Let's say woof. And every time we click, we get a new console.log that says woof. And if we mess up our code, we will see that we actually get our syntax errors and stuff like that. So it says script.js line 3 missing parentheses. So we can put our parentheses back. We probably should have had a semicolon. So there you go. That's kind of how you add JavaScript code to your HTML projects. So you can make things interactive and do all that. So to review, you can do an inline script tag, or you can also do the kind of separate JavaScript file. You do that by opening the file menu, adding a text file, and then you link it up like this, and you add your code, and it should just work. And you can show the JavaScript console by clicking the settings and switching it from hidden to shown. So quick review, and that's all we've got for this video. Thanks for watching.